So here we have a 9-piece tweezer and nail cutting set. So what comes in the box? So it's a nice soft shell case. It's got a nice hinge on the box. It's got the brand name there. It's got a nice latch here. You press, it releases open, and here you have the set. Now it's all nice and black. It's well protected, the tips of the tweezers, and I've gone through them and they're very solid tweezers, not weak. So when you clamp something, it's gonna hold. Now cutting your nails, it has a nice grip here. It's good sharp action, great leverage, and gets the job done. And then you have the matching toenail clipper here, which is a good size for the toenails. Again, great leverage, nice sharp edge, gets the job done. You got a little file here, file down, and you have precision scissors, and it also has a nice curve to it. This way you could get up close to eyebrows or whatever you would need. This comes very well protected with the plastic little guard there. Now the tweezers, this tweezer has a little comb in there, so I guess you could comb your eyebrows. And again, super solid, sharp edge, very precise. It has a nice stable, thick, solid body. This way when you pinch here, the power makes it to the end and it really holds it tight. Again, they're all protected with the sheeting. You got all types of tweezers here. You got angles. It's good to take out splinters, and it's mostly what I got it for splinters. You know, another one, this one looks like it's good to take out splinters. You get in there and you could pick at a splinter, and again, all conveniently protected. So this is a nice little set to have. I'm gonna keep a couple of tweezers. Outside the case and put them in the kitchen, in the bathroom, and in the toolbox in the garage, because working with tools and automotive stuff, you might need this once in a while. So this is the professional clipper and tweezer set. It's a great set to have, very well made.